is here again with another Amazon review. So let's get into it. First of all, this did come with another bag. I love these bags. Also, this came this time with, thank you, girl. I'm going to be doing my eyelash when I'm wearing this wig. So, I know my last review wasn't so good, but it was my honest review, guys. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to pretend. I'm going to let you know, so don't waste your money, okay? So, with that being said, I'm going to post the link to this one, so you can run over there and get it. And guess what? This one was cheaper than that one that I bought before. So if you have not seen that video, stop right here and go back and look at my previous video and you will see what I'm talking about. But that's not what I'm here for today. This wig, oh my God. Guys, I decided to go with a 20-inch this time. A 5x5 frontal. It's supposed to be 220 density. Honestly, guys, I don't feel like it's 220. I think it's more 180. But I'm gonna tell you the texture. Oh my God. And then it smells so good. It smells so good and it's fresh out the pack. I haven't washed it. I have not done anything. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my God. It's just, I can't wait to wear it. The texture alone. The texture. And I want to brush it. Let me find my brush and I'll brush it. So, look at that compared to the other wig. That's what I say, guys. Literally advertise what you have. It's disappointing to know that you're planning for a birthday, a wedding, anything, a vacation, and you put the time and effort in searching for a wig based off of somebody's description. And then the people in the comment does not help. So advertise what you actually have. You might get more sales and less returns. God, I just love how this just fits my head. Oh my God. Then this one as well comes with that little section. I'm gonna fix it and I'll get back to you. So look what I'm telling you guys. Look. Glueless. You can barely see. And then I can do a side part. Oh, I can do another side part. Oh my God. It's just so good. I tell you, people, I can't wait to literally fix this properly and wear it. And then I'm getting no shredding, guys. No shredding. Look. Like, this was here before. As you can see, it's natural hair. It's my hair. So let's remove that and then do again. No shredding. No shredding. Like, it's just a ready and go. I am going to basically do a little flat iron and a little hot comb. And I'm going to make some baby hair. So I'm going to pluck the front a little bit. But look at that. And then I'm going to apply this. It is a lace tint mousse. It is perfect. I love it. I literally use it on all of my wigs. So I would advise you, if you have a glueless wig, this thing is one of the best products to have. It literally makes your lace just blend in with your skin. They come in different shade as well, so you have to match it to your shade for it to work. But look at this, guys. Woo! I'm telling you, advertise what you have. Do not scam people. It is not fun. Imagine you're shopping for a wig for a wedding, a birthday, a vacation trip, and you got that raggedy ass wig I got before. you would be upset. And I know you would not want to wear that. Well, here is a little quick grab and go. And the length is not bad. I love how the front also is layered a little bit. I am going to put my little touch on it, but you can basically put it in a ponytail. Like, get you one. I'm putting all the information. This little pop-up right here, go over Amazon and get it now before they're gone. They have different ones. They have curly, straight. Go get what fits you, girl. Love you. See you.